So it's time to put this on there, but I have to take a couple things off first so I can fit it, because it has a tab here that fits behind a bracket that I've already installed. So I'm going to remove it somewhat, install this with the new clips that I got. But this should be fairly easy because I have all new push clips in it. This should come out fairly easy. And then I can just pull this side of the bumper away, install the old trim with the new clips. Wow. These things have been riding in the engine bay of the 4Runner for about 2 weeks. That's wild. I totally forgot they were in there. I just seen them. I'm glad they're still there. I was looking for those. To show you what I was talking about, you see the trim has that little tab that goes in there where the bracket goes in front of, so it kind of holds it in place. So I had to remove the bracket with that in place to install the bracket and put a screw in it that holds the bracket to the fender and the trim to that bracket. And tragedy struck, wouldn't you know it? The battery died, but I gotta get another battery. I got one. Good to go. Well, this lines up pretty good for being an aftermarket non-OEM fender. The existing trim and the aftermarket bumper that I ordered, it's pretty good. Now there was some scratches on it from before, but I just needed to get it back on there so it looks like a 4Runner again. I'll put all these, I'll pop all these clips back in here. Now I have a few screws to put in here to hold the trim on the inside of the inner fender well, but I haven't put the windshield washer reservoir back in there yet because I needed this piece to be on there to hold the inner fender well because it attaches to this and not the fender. And in order to do it, I need to try and save these because this is what that piece there screws into. And it has several of them around the edge of the fender here. So let's hope that I can save at least half of them. So now I'm just buttoning up a few things that I forgot to do, parts that I forgot to order, and when they finally came in, I installed them. I still have a couple more things I need to order. I still need to get one of these bezels. I wasn't able to save the old one, it was destroyed, and I only ordered one, so I need one for this one. And I'm sure there's a couple of things that I'm forgetting. There's a piece of molding that goes in here. I have it, I was able to save it. But there's a piece of molding that goes in here on the fender. I just need some clips for it. That piece was actually still salvageable. I just pulled it off the old fender, but all of those clips broke as well. Well, there's one good clip in there and that's not gonna cut it. I need at least 3 more. So that's 2 more things I need to order. But so far, this thing's looking up. And next, we gotta do something about this. Yes, because this got bent down pretty good. And if I hadn't have hammered it back up, it would have damaged this. And that wasn't the most expensive headlight, but it was expensive enough. But I can already see that even though this is supposed to be a sealable, it still has some moisture in there because of the rain. And I don't know what that's about. That's brand new, it's only a couple weeks old, but it's a cheap eBay one, but you can see moisture in there. That's not cool. But hey, you get what you pay for. When you're on a budget, you get what you can get. And eBay, well, it got me all these parts and got it back on the road. If I need to order OEM lights later, I can do it later. But now it's pretty much drivable again. It's almost back to normal. So if you guys made it this far, I want to thank you. If you've already subscribed, thank you. I appreciate you. If you would hit the like, hit the subscribe, follow for more. I have a giveaway going on right now. If you visit ClaudeVanDamage.com, you get the gear, support the channel, and you can win my giveaway. Hey, I'll see you in the next one. In the meantime, let's break something.